All right, so in this question here, we asked to find A, B, C, X, Y, and Z, and we asked to give reasons as well. So I'm going to draw a line to put the statement on one side and reasons on the other side. And maybe I can just shift this whole thing a little bit this way as well. Together. Okay. Okay, so the first thing I have here is, let's start with, you can start at any one. You can start on any angle at any point in time, which means you can take a pathway which can change. I'm going to just provide one pathway, and there are many alternative pathways if you give a valid reason, right? So we've got statements and we've got reasons. We've also got these parallel lines, which is BD parallel to AE, which we probably need to use if we're going to use corresponding alternate coincidence. Okay, statements over here and reasons over here. Okay, X I can see is equal to 87 degrees. I'm going to use the fact that those two are corresponding angles. I'm going to write it in short. Corresponding angles, BD parallel to AE. The next one, Y will equal 180 degrees minus 147. What is that? 33. So 33 degrees. And the reason is angles on a straight line equals 180 degrees. So I know that Y is going to equal 33 degrees. All right. So Y equals 33 degrees. I can move on to any other letter, right? I can see Z is also going to be 33 degrees because of corresponding angles to Y. Z is equal to 33 degrees, corresponding angles, same parallel line, BD parallel to AE. Looking at angle A now, angle A plus 87 plus 33 adds up to 180 degrees in this triangle. So 180 degrees minus 87 minus 33, and because of angles in a triangle, which is equal to 180 degrees, gets me 180 minus 87 comes to 93 minus 33 will come to 60 degrees, a nice 60 degrees. So A is going to be 60 degrees. Once you get your solution, label it in your diagram so that you can see more clues to get to the next one more faster. So the next part here, I can say B is equal to 147 because of alternate angles. I could have also said B plus Y equals 180 and co-interior angles. Maybe I'll do that. Let's say B is equal to 147 degrees because B plus Y equals 180 degrees co-interior angles, parallel lines, BD parallel to AE. I could have also said B is alternate to 147. I could have also said B plus Z equals 180 degrees because of angles on a straight line. There was definitely that, but I could not make it equal to 87 because those two lines are not parallel. That's not a Z shape. The Z shape, this is a Z shape. That is not a Z shape. That angle is not equal to that angle. So 87 is definitely not the answer there, but that's sometimes common mistakes that can be made. All right, last one, C. Let's put this in here. So 147, C is 33. I'm going to use vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles to angle Z, no parallel lines. And I'm just going to write that part there. So those are the reasons on the lines of what we need to calculate. We're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reasons. You could get up to 12 marks for this, but possibly 6 marks, depending on your teacher or your, whatever, or how the test is set. But yeah, 12 possible marks after grade.